So welcome students. In this question, given the expression cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power m plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power m is equal to what? If this power is a natural number, you're given four options: 2 cot power m of A minus B by 2 if m is odd, if m is even, 0 if m is odd, 0 if m is even. So we'll try to analyze this expression. So we can analyze this expression using the transformation formulas. Cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 divided by sin A minus sin B is 2 sin A minus B by 2 cos of A plus B by 2 whole power m plus. So what does this expression change into? Sin A plus sin B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 divided by cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin of A minus B by 2 power m. So that is equal to this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos A plus B by 2 cos A plus B by 2 gets cancelled. So cos A minus B by 2 by sin A minus B by 2 is cot A minus B by 2 power m plus. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sin A plus B by 2 sin A plus B by 2 gets cancelled. Cos A minus B by 2 by sin A minus B by 2, again it is cot A minus B by 2 but with a minus. So minus 1 whole power m times cot power m of A minus B by 2. That's nothing but cot power m of A minus B by 2 times 1 plus minus 1 whole power m. So we know the nature of minus 1 whole power m. If m is even, it becomes plus 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So the expression becomes 2 cot power m of A minus B by 2. So 2 cot power m of A minus B by 2 if m is even, right? So option C is right. 2 cot power m of A minus B by 2 if m is even. And if m is odd, this minus 1 whole power m becomes minus 1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. It means if m is odd, my answer will be 0. So options B and C are right for this question. Thank you.